Ooh, that looks good. Now some butter. चलेगा थोड़ा सा देखोगे ना?
नहीं
You just have like 2 steps. Can you imagine? Chef Anushka. This is like a low calorie, healthy but tasty and takes like 10-15 minutes to cook. तो आप easily कर सकते हैं. Hi guys, welcome to Sen Kitchen Diaries. Oh my god, I'm so happy that we're doing this series now on YouTube. And today's episode is called PJs and Pasta. Today we are making pesto pasta. मुझे pesto pasta बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं ऐसे pasta dishes बनाऊँ या कोई भी dishes बनाऊँ जो थोड़ी healthy है, and that I can make myself for myself and my family. So today we have मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत वीडियोस देखे हैं, like all over social media I've seen these 0 calorie noodles and I'm like, okay, let's try it out.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. This is just me trying out something new. These are called shirataki noodles, which are apparently made from something that I don't understand, but they're low calorie and we're going to use this to make our pesto pasta. Pesto pasta is basically palak. So if you were making palak paneer, आधी recipe same है. So that's awesome. And we have some mushrooms. Then we have garlic. We have some butter. Then we have cherry tomatoes and of course mirchi. Let's start. Awesome. I really like spicy food. So please bear with me. अगर आपको spicy नहीं पसंद, in this process आप मिर्ची कम डालना या मत डालना. And then we have some. So let's be real and honest. ये मैं भी पहली बार बना रही हूँ. So if it doesn't turn out great, we are both doomed. Now some garlic cloves and a little bit of water. Then it blends, obviously. Always.
One eternity later.
That's it. Yes. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है मतलब ब्लेंडर से. मुझे मतलब हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि it's just gonna, and I've done this a million times. Not a million, but you get the point. मुझे है हल्का सा OCD है, हल्का सा. Just like I just really like everything clean and it's perfect. Not because I'm doing this video. I'm just in general like that. Ooh! Awesome! That looks good! Let's keep this as it is. Before we cook things, I'm going to cut mushrooms. I really like mushrooms. पता है क्या हुआ था? I tried these mushrooms. I don't know what they were called, but they were really bad. They didn't cook well. They were very chewy. So yeah, those mushrooms were not great. So these are called button mushrooms. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपके रेसिपी में भी mushrooms हो, I would suggest just getting these instead of any other fancy mushrooms. These are good. Also guys, I have been seeing a lot of your comments. You guys say कि आप चाहते हो कि मैं ये बनाऊँ, वो बनाऊँ, पुलाव and biryani and omelette and whatever it is, just let me know in this video का comment. तो हम देखेंगे and then maybe next recipe that I cook would be yours. Actually give me the entire recipe, that'll be nice. Like something that is special to you कि मुझे ऐसे पसंद है, you know what I mean. And I genuinely do know how to cook. मुझे पता चला है कि कुछ लोगों को लग रहा है कि मुझे खाना नहीं बनाना आता and somebody is just helping me behind the scenes. This is proof guys. Long video कैसे बनाओगे आप? I mean of course thanks to my mom. I love cooking with her actually. I love taking her help. You know, take help from your mom because she's the best cook. My dad also cooks really well, so I learn a lot from them. And I love cooking together with mom. We put on some music and then we are having coffee and then we are dancing and then we are exploring different recipes and new recipes. I love that. So yeah, and she's the reason I know how to cook. So like I said, OCD has to be perfect. Awesome. First we need some olive oil. Some butter. Let's just put it this. And let that melt. Put some garlic. Really love the smell of garlic. People who cook, you'll know what I mean. जैसे वो garlic गरम होने लगता है with olive oil and butter. It just smells so good. So guys, I use an induction. You see there's a little bit of sound, so I hope that's not bothering you guys. But yeah, and then I'm gonna put some salt. It's a trick apparently. You know, कभी-कभी क्या होता है, oil, when you put oil and when you're cooking, it can just get like on your face. वो ऐसे गर्म होता है तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे आपके ऊपर आ सकता है. So if you put salt, then the oil will not come on you. Smells so nice. So you know what I should have done though? Should have used that and crushed the garlic and then put it. Hold on, Mama. Garlic का crush করে দিলাম না চলবে? চলেगा थोड़ा सा देखोगे ना? नहीं. Now we are continuing the right way. Please आप garlic को crush करके you can put because later on जब आपका pasta बन जाता है and you're having and then you get garlic, I don't like it personally, but how would I know? I'm not the best chef. And also, disclaimer, I'm not a chef. I'm just doing this the way I know how to. So if I'm doing anything wrong, hopefully I'm not doing anything wrong. So nice. Yay! I love mushrooms. I wish आप यहाँ होते और आपको वो garlic की smell आती हो. The aroma of the kitchen is just so nice. So shocking. आपको पता है actually I did not know how to cook at all. I didn't know how to cut vegetables, cut anything, cook anything. पता नहीं था कि नमक ये वो कैसे. फिर मैं COVID के time पे I think like most people I started cooking and learning little bit. And now my वो बोलते हैं ना for you page. My for you page is workout, healthy dishes, travel, and more things, but majorly all of this. I love. Wow, see, that looks awesome. I wish I knew how to do that. You know how chefs do the. Wait, that was awesome. I just felt like a chef. Shout out to all the chefs who do this every day.
Editor put
So
a
much respect.
chef hat here.
Yes, please. Now for everyone out there, usually आपको pasta को boil करना पड़ता है गर्म पानी में. For this one, apparently you're not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to wash it with water. I think वो कुछ sticky हो जाता है apparently if you put. देखो हाँ कैसे हो गया वो. It was very sticky and now it's like see. It's like those Korean noodles. Now we just have like 2 steps. Can you imagine? Chef Anushka. अब हम इसे ढक के रख देंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए so that just cooks very well and last में we just have to put the noodles and we'll be ready. By the way, जब तक हम वो कर रहे हैं I have to show you something. This is what I received today. This is by Anushka_X_Angel, which is Komal. Thank you so much, Komal. This is so sweet, and I'm gonna read this out. Hey Anushka, I feel so grateful to have the opportunity to be your fan. You feel like home to me. Thank you for being the best idol. I love you so much. I love you so much. All of you guys and Komal, thank you so much for this. This is such a reminder कि आप इतना प्यार करते हो और मैं आप सबसे इतना प्यार करती हूँ. I really love the way you guys show your affection and आपके edits and आपके इतने सारे requests. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपकी जितनी requests हैं मैं वो पूरे कर पाऊँ. And thank you so much for this. Lots of love. Let's see this. Oh wow, that looks awesome. I'm so excited.
Editor, please do the awesome count.
मैं कितने बार बोला होगा ना अभी 50 times I must have said. This is awesome. By the way, this is awesome. Okay, now we're going to put some awesome noodles. Wow, that was awesome. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. You know, this is my me time when I cook. Usually this time I'm listening to music. It looks good. Looks restaurant-y. Let's put some cream. I mean, I know it's supposed to be healthy. It is healthy, but we should put it creamy. Oh wow, that was nice. It's creamy. Guys, now it's like no wonder it was supposed to be like that. क्या आप भी ऐसे करते हैं like you know online जब recipes आती हैं and then you're like why is it not looking the same? मेरे साथ बहुत बार हो चुका है. Like I'm exactly following what you're doing but why is it not looking the same? So why is that? I think they're missing out some steps, you know. So I like videos like this. आपको पता है exactly मैं क्या कर रही हूँ with every step. But the last step, we are going to put some cheese. This is like 4 cheese, different kinds of cheese, and we're just going to. Yay! So this is our pesca pasta. Smells awesome. अब मैं ये पूरा नहीं खाने वाली हूँ obviously. So I'm going to take it in a plate and let's do a scent taste test. This is my favorite plate. I love cute cutlery. मतलब I can't have enough cute cutlery. Mugs, sippers, plates. मतलब मैं दिखा and I'll buy. And there's no more space. But I'll still end up getting new plates. Why? Because you can.
It matches your night dress.
Oh right, it matches my outfit. It matches my outfit. I'm so full of hearts. Nice. Looks so good. Chef Nushi, Sen Kitchen Diaries. Let's try and see. Ooh, okay. Mmm. That is so good. I'm so proud. Wow, guys, you have to try करना पड़ेगा. This is so good. PJs and pasta is a hit. Sen approves. 11 on 10. 11 on 10. Oh wow, that was incredible. This is like a low calorie, healthy but tasty and takes like 10-15 minutes to cook. तो आप easily कर सकते हैं. Even if you're someone जिसको खाना नहीं बनाना आता, I think this is a recipe that you can follow and it's super easy. I loved it. Now I'm gonna watch a K-drama and have my noodles. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.